Using the Edit module's color tool in Raspberry AI, you can quickly and easily recolor garments with intelligent masking. But what if you want to recolor the same item in multiple colors? We started by creating a men's polo shirt in the Product Images tool and opened it in the Edit module. I'll remove the background for a clean view of the product. First, use Smart Select to add a mask to the garment. Then, use Subtract Mask to clean up the edges. Once your selection looks good, you're ready to go. Next, import a JPEG of your color palette. This is a simple JPEG I've created in Photoshop. You can upload any image, including a simple screenshot of your color palette. Just make sure it has all of the colors that you plan to use. Click the eyedropper icon at the lower right to pull up your palette image. Choose your first color and hit Apply. When you're happy with the result, download the image in your preferred format. I'll go with PNG. Now, to match the next color, click Undo to return to your masked version, then use the eyedropper tool again to pick the next shade. Apply and download. Repeat as needed. If the color isn't quite right, try adjusting the blending mode. These work similarly to Photoshop and can help the new color blend more naturally with the original image. You can also fine-tune the opacity for a lighter effect. And that's it. With the Edit Color tool, you can generate multiple color versions of a product in just minutes. Perfect for presenting options.